in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove a background from a video. Okay, very easy, very simple. I want you to come over here at this website. It's called onscreen.com. You come over here and you click on upload clip. You can take a clip right away, of course, or you can choose one from your library. Now, example over here, I am going to choose this one. It's not going to be a perfect result simply because I do not have an actual object in between, but just to give you an idea, guys, how the app works, how easy the app works. Depending on how long is the video, it will take time to proceed. Now the video it's already uploaded, and as you can see, we do have part of the video removed. Like I said, I didn't have like an actual person in the middle of the video, so you can get like the perfect idea how the video removal works, but I'm just giving you an example with the video that I have on my hand, and this is how the video remover actually works. Also, you can click here and you can share the video, the final project, or you can download it. If you click over here, you can download it as a GIF, or you can download it as animated PNG. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.